Today we will discuss question 15. A capacitance of 2 is required in an electrical circuit across a potential difference of 1 kilowatt. A larger number of 1 capacitor are available which can withstand a potential difference of not more than 300 watt. The minimum number of capacitor required to achieve this is options are 2, second is 16, third is 24, fourth is 32. So the answer is 32, fourth option, because if we take the following this diagram, we can see that now first of all let's take we know that it's 1000 volt. Now we divide it by 300 because that's our maximum potential difference that is given in the question, so that it would be 3.333 so on. So let us take approximately 4. Because we can take more not less. Now we need at least 4 capacitor, so we can attach 4 capacitor can be attached. Okay, so now we know that all are like in series. These capacitors are in series like this. These are 4 capacitors. Now so if we take, it would be like the C would be capacitance of the combination. Let's say combination would be 1 by 4. 1 by 4. So in order to get C is equal to 2 mu, in order to get COM is equal to 2F, we require 8 such rows in parallel. So that